Driving up the hill, this is the first house you see right there. The estimator took pictures of that house, and the house number is wrong. If you keep going, there's another house just like this one right over there. So we ended up doing this one for free. A spectacular, amazing day. This is the correct house we were supposed to do. I have no comment. So the neighbor down the street, I'll walk up there and show you. So I'm not even sure what happened. The guys had the knowledge, but they were lacking wisdom. And by that I mean, wisdom is something where you know right and wrong. If you're lacking wisdom, you gotta seek wisdom, you gotta ask for it. So, you see that house right there? Well, interestingly enough, the builder built an identical house right here. So what happened? Well, long story short, this house got free gutters. The guys came up the road. It's a dead-end street. The first house they saw matched the pictures that the estimator provided. The estimator came to the wrong house, took pictures of the wrong house. So maybe some wisdom would be very important here, because the house number here is not the same house number over there. At least I double checked, and they are different. They are identical houses though. So the pictures here, the guys came to do the gutter install. They saw the pictures, they matched them to the house without verifying the house number. When I typed into the navigation and I came to this spot, the navigation said, keep driving 140 feet. And when I kept driving, it said arrived. Now, if I was the installer, which I was today, because I was supposed to take a day off, but boss never takes a day off because he has to do free gutters and help the crew that messed up. So if you keep driving 140 feet, identical house. What do you know? Identical to the T's. Different cars, of course, but... So, the neighbor came home last night about 4:30. He's like, hey, what are you guys doing? And we're like, we're installing gutters. Weren't you notified? He's like, no, because a 24-hour notice for rent their duplexes. So, customer calls me, says, hey, you guys are probably at the wrong house because I never ordered any gutters. I'm like, you sure? The pictures match 100%. I called the estimator, and he's like, yep, that's the house. 100% sure. Well, it turns out estimator was wrong. The guys followed not the house number, which is their fault, but they followed the pictures. So make sure you guys are double checking the address. Call the customer. Call your boss. Verify. So hopefully this video will help you guys to... I guess you could do free stuff for neighbors if you have time and resources, but just double check your house numbers. Thanks for watching.